at all.
So if you die, post this.
Yes. That's what it looks like.
Elevation making it mad hard to breathe. So true. I'm fucking huffing and puffing on this hike right now. $7:30 in the morning. First meal of the day, D'Angelo's. Fucking steak sandwich.
It's nuts. We gotta do it, you know, we just had to do it.
7:30 in the morning, I'm eating a steak sandwich from D'Angelo's.
Yup. You know what time it is, buddy?
Well, just got off the flight. Man,
About to get this rental, mate.
waiting to get the rental. It never feels like I'm there until I'm fucking... You got the fucking rental, baby, Toyota Tacoma. Oh, you hear that, baby? There we go, first stop, we got some Mexican food. A glass of tacos.
Carne asada.
My man's on his laptop doing some work.
How would you rate this Mexican food?
Not the best tacos I've ever had. Not bad at all. 7 to 8 range.
Yeah, I'd give it about a 6.75. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
That's hard. I'm gonna save that.
Garden of Gods, baby.
Yeah, this is a garden, all right. Garden with a bunch of fucking rocks.
I can't even see that. Yo, that thing they say about the elevation making it mad hard to breathe, so true. I'm fucking huffing and puffing on this hike right now. We're over here fucking huffing and puffing, yo. The elevation, that shit's no joke, yo.
The allegation. I mean, elevation. I can't speak. Help. Send help.
For real though, one of the coolest places I've ever been in my life.
Yeah, what he said. Literally. Day 2 in Colorado. And yeah, this is a 10 out of 10 place, Garden of the Gods. I recommend it to everybody that loves nature, everybody that loves big giant rocks that are just here for absolutely no reason. But having a hard time breathing, trying to keep this vlog up, you know, for the viewers. You know, just stay tuned, we'll have more coming.
That should stop.
Yo, this man thinks he could just climb rocks all day. Rock climber. He ain't even doing it the right way. but he's still doing it.
How to get down, honestly.
You're gonna have to call the police and get him out of here. Yo, my man thinks he's
This is so narrow. I thought it was like.
Well, I tried going up the backside the first time and that was fucked.
Professional rock climber right here. She knows all the moves.
No.
Yo, this is scary.
Yeah, you
You're
you handle that rock, dude. She really did.
I literally thought there was like a back to it.
Yeah, I thought that too when I first looked at it.
I'm starting a YouTube series, and he's helping me with.
I've always been more about cities, right? But I'm gonna have to say, Colorado's definitely the coolest place I've been to. Look at this. Fucking mountains.
They call me Hercules. But this is Sparta.
You took the hardest way possible. Probably.
Yeah, Mike, I'm not lengthy like you, bro.
Alright, I'll get down.
Yeah. I don't need it.
Sketchy part.
Sketchy fucking part from hell. Yeah. No. That's not positive at all.
So if you die, post this.
That's real stuff.
Oh my god, chill. Now go back, go back.
Chill, yo.
Go back. What do you mean go back?
I mean, like,
How are you not?
oh.
Stop. I can't watch this anymore.
You're insane. What are you doing?
You know how hard it is to photograph? The shot's not even worth it. I gotta turn around.
Don't point that camera at me. Think fucking I'm gonna do something unlawful. Just trying to be good at everything.
I'm just freeloading, taking a video of this dude. Don't even have any tip bread.